So, you know, I think the thing that's in my mind now is that, like everybody else, I think, who is not, significantly impacted by the staying at home, quarantining, self-isolation. I'm just staying at home, but I'm getting real tired of it. Real tired of it. And I have to say the plans that I had at the very beginning of brushing up on my Dutch and learning the ukulele and getting fit, doing lots of exercise and stuff, all of that is just slowly faded away. And the only thing that has really stuck with me is the Rubik's Cube, which I bought the day before going into self-isolation, and that was like a month ago. And just the last couple days, I finally learned the last algorithm and been able to solve it on my own without consulting any cheat sheet. So I can now solve a Rubik's Cube, which feels like a win. I definitely, it's not self-improvement. It's not a good activity to have taken up while in self-isolation. But I wonder, is it enough? I don't know. It's going to have to be, I think. To answer the two questions that you probably have, one, no, I didn't learn to solve it on my own. Just like figure it out. No, I had to follow step-by-step instructions. And my fastest time is 2.5 minutes. But my initial objective was to be able to solve it. No time at all. No time required. So 2.5 minutes feels pretty good.